Alright, everyone. Are you guys ready? Because I've been hard, flash emoji, at work. And you are already seeing a couple things. You can see the chat is darker over there. And you can see the music scroll is not centered anymore to this layout. But this is the usual one. This is what it has been for a year, over a year, I would say. Maybe 4 at this point, like, fuck's time. Edgy. But here is this one. I don't want to do like a lot of anticipation because this one, I will admit, is basically the same. It's just a different background. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Space. It's huge. But you know, finer border, better thingy here. The planet holds my logo and it's centered and it doesn't have like a black background on top of black with a different shade of black, and then like orange space. Cool shit. Is the interface inspired by Rack 3? It's a mix between like me liking orange and Rack's like slanted boxes things, which I also like. So, I will paraphrase one of my favorite compliments that I got from Sapphire. Not on my person, because Sapphire is also like kind like that, but this is going Arsenal. No, yeah. When he said, "This is what Ouya's UI should have been." But yeah, I don't know. This feels nice. This feels cozy. This feels cool. There's a bit more things going on, like in the background, but the booty is in the eye of the beholder. But when we change scene from this one with a big camera, actually, before we change, there's one more thing. Fucking Geoff Knightley moment. But before I change, I wanna show this too. We have a new VC icon. I hadn't planned this, but Zell, could you join stream call real quick, even if muted, and just to see how it works? If you say no, that's fine. But as you can see, it lights up in orange, and if Zell talks now, it lights up. It's funny because I didn't know your icon was like a circle, so oops. But yeah, custom colors depending on Discord IDs, and I only have 3. I only have different colors for me, Zell, and Chaik. But if there's other regulars that might join on stream, they can get their color just by Discord user ID. If you want to join, Chaik, we can demonstrate right now. You're purple. Not Chaik getting voided. But yeah, there we go. Okay, Chaik, can you say something? Can you like unmute and have some just to demonstrate. Oh, wait, let me wait. Just to demonstrate the purple border. Hold on, you're super quiet. Yeah, for a split second you could see purple. So yeah, it's purple, and mine is orange, and Zel's is steel blue. It has to be a square. Sorry. Oopies. Oh, that might be my fault because I can hear him fine. It might be just Discord being like. Wait. Oh. Oopies. It wasn't so quiet, it was muted. Sorry, Zal. You were
Like what?
What do you mean it was so quiet, gone? They were muted. I could hear
muted
them.
is as quiet as it gets.
I mean, hopefully you couldn't, because like that would mean there's an audio source that I'm not controlling. But yeah, oopsie daisy. There might be. I don't know. I'll check the tapes, I guess. Thanks for making me paranoid now. Just because I was living in your walls. I mean, it's usual Google Meet in your walls. Okay. Where the fuck are you, and why don't you come out? Flushed. But yeah, that's a new Discord voice chat overlay on this screen. If you want, Chike, you can. All right. You can leave. I'll. If Zell stays, I'll do another test on the other screen, and then that'll be it.
Okay, bye.
Oh, purple.
Bye, Jack.
Bye, Chike. Love you.
She's gone.
All right. So now we can change to what we're used to, which is this screen, right? We know and love this one. It's black now because I don't have my PS5 on right now, but this is the usual frame with chat. Now chat is darker. Now the Discord overlay is here. Cool stuff, right? Like I can do the usual. I can switch campsite. I can get out of my side, do the whole thing, like everything as usual. But now we have a new AFK scene in space. And then we can come back. Alright. So after the AFK, we can showcase another one that we're used to, which is the challenge runs. In this case, challenge runs have the same layout, very orange, and it just changes like the background bits. It's not a weird gradient that it was that I didn't like at all. But yeah, this is the usual. It still says Hades, which is funny. I think it has to initialize. Like if I said something like Deathless, there we go. Crouch and Clank Rift Apart Deathless, because it updates to the current game on Twitch. So last time I did, I guess it was while I was doing tests, it was Hades still. But yeah, we know this layout, and technically. Okay, thanks for letting me know that that's loud. I'll lower it. Um, okay, let me go in order. Technically, another one that I already had, but I haven't used basically at all, is the speedrun layout. In this case, I can have chat is reduced and I can have splits at the top and then the game here. In this scene, in theory, you cannot use the redemptions that freeze the game. So, and that was my segue to the Jack mission failed that you know and, you know, have seen sometimes. The to be continued meme from JoJo, the arrow, and the brand new, there is no escape death scene from Hades that Edge already asked for. So that is also new, not available on this screen because if it's a speedrun, I cannot freeze the game. It has to, you know, be a continuous feed of the run. But it is time, run wild and royally cavalier, to show the thing that I've actually been working on for most of the time. Because like this was basically just changing the background and adapting some bits. Here, actually let me go back to the camera so we have like a full stinger transition. Here we go. In after countdown, here's my new main layout for playing both like on PlayStation, on PC, anywhere. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. That's not the one. There we go. It's basically the same as the speedruns. Alright, but this is not all there is to it. So, first things first, as you can see, it has the feed separate from my camera. So I'm not covering, and chat is not covering the game feed. So if I ever want to clip something, if I ever want to have footage from something, I have the full 16:9 screen to be able to capture that and to do anything I want. If I want to change, like edit a VOD into an actual video or something, I can do that. Great. Love to see that. But there's more. And that's why I asked Zell to stay on call, because I can toggle that now, and we have the voice chat overlay out here. And there's one too, like it lights up orange when I talk, and then it lights up for Zell and Chike, it lights up with a custom color. If you want to demonstrate, Zell.
Yeah. What's up, chat? Now you can actually see it. See me exposed in higher resolution.
Alright, and as you can see, it also has an icon for when voice participants are muted and deafened, so I could also do that and deafen. And also for when they're server muted or server deafened. So if I do Terrible Sin and mute Zell, you can see it's a red icon instead of the regular white one. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And at a press of a button, I can just hide it, and there's no Discord overlay anymore. And the text box squishes like that to adapt to the content. And usually when I play like that, like at most it's gonna be co-op with one person, so it has space for an extra participant. But you know, if we do 3 or 4 player co-op sessions, that is also available. But there's more, because you know, I'm kind of a trophy hunter, and we've done several already platinum runs and double platinum runs on stream. So for that now, I present to you the Trophy Counter 2.0. Definitely inspired by Rock. Definitely way cooler. Yeah, over one flashbacks. Definitely way cooler than the one we had before. So there's still a counter, there's still an indicator. If it's a plat, it can also be 2 plats. This is the same as before, but it can also be a stim ribbon. This is new, and this is important because today we're playing Rift Apart on PC. The rest of it works the same, but it has an extra bit of flair, which is the EXP bar at the bottom. So if I have a button to add trophies, and the EXP bar increases, and then I can also decrease trophies or set a number of trophies. So if I say 45, like we have almost all of them, and if I say 0, then we go to 0. So, you know, pretty proud of this one. Also, as you might have seen, if the achievement or trophy layout or widget comes in, the box also gets squished. So it always leaves a space. Why, you might be asking right now? Well, because there's more. Give me just a second. Because something's not low. There we are. Okay. Whoa, fuck, no. I clicked. Well, I hope it's fine. Alright. But let's get rid of the trophy counter for now. What else do we have here? We have our trusty timer. Because sometimes I time my runs. So the thing that I was knowing is that I touched this. So I think it might not be centered anymore. So that's a bit of an issue. Actually, I don't know if I can like open layout. Maybe that saved size. Hopefully it did. But yeah, that's the timer. But what if we don't want a timer run, but we want to see my input on the controller? And this is my trusty black DualSense plugged onto my PC now. And as you can see, we have all inputs with an orange D-pad and everything. Custom for you to enjoy and to replicate. If I do some tricks, if I'm playing Ratchet and Clank or something that maybe you wanna see, and we can have both at the same time, because why not, right? But you might be thinking, what if we have the trophy counter? Well, we can have just a timer, just a controller, which needs an input to actually load, or we can have both, and then that completes the full layout. And this is what I have been working on, except there's more, because if now someone redeems something, like a point redemption, like the There Is No Escape, which again is a new one, or any other redemption. Oh wait, yeah, I wanted to take the chance to lower the volume. I didn't. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, now you can make it louder. Now you can see what people have redeemed at any point in time. So, especially for hydrates that have no indication, there they are. The only thing is, it should color the user, and it worked for Edge. It should color the user redeeming with Twitch's color. But it made me blue, so... it might be a synchronization thing, because now Gone is orange. And now if I do something, I might be pink. I tried it before. Yeah. I tried it before and it was synchronized, so give me a second, I'll just like add a bit of delay or something. Maybe like while streaming it needs a bit more time to actually pull everything, you know. So this should be an easy fix. What is a stream of me without debugging, right? Okay. 250. I'll give it a quarter of a second before starting to move. And that should be that. Alright, oh. Well, I'm cubed. I don't know if that worked already or not, but let me do one of the expensive ones for you. I'm still pinked. Pinked. I'm still pink. That is not correct. Maybe, just maybe, it is because I'm using a variable here. Okay, let's see. Undefined, redeemed, undefined. Okay. I found platinum bolt, but I still got the wrong color. Redeemer color is right, actually. It's just that it didn't transform. Ooh. That is so weird, because, like, I get the redemption, like the Redeemer color, and that is Chike's purple. But then when I transform it to RGB, because OBS is weird, it still gets my orange. So this is pulled right. But then, when I transform it into RGB, that might need like some more time. I'll add some time here. Alright, save. Okay, save. Yeah, no, but it shouldn't be, because, like, if I check the variables now, the color I'm pulling from the Twitch API is my orange. But then when I transform it to RGB, it's not. So, like, for some reason, and it's pulling first and then transforming. So for some reason, next time, like, it's gonna pull, but maybe it'll take enough time for it to, like, transform the color that it already has, and then, but, like, damn, more than 200 milliseconds. Redeemer color.color, that's correct. Okay, let's do 250. Okay, safe. Okay. Okay, 250 seems to be enough. Can someone redeem something else? Well, fuck. I guess it's just a Twitch API being stupid. um. The only thing is, like, I guess color isn't that important, but it's a bit annoying that I have to wait like half a second. It's fine, I suppose. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, the only thing is, I'm pretty sure settings. Local variable persist. I can disable that. See what happens if it explodes or something. Okay. Can you... Can someone... Let's fucking go. Alright, it was a synchronization issue. That didn't happen while not streaming, because... Well, I guess... Or maybe it did, I just didn't realize because I always tried with my own user or no user. Alright? Zell, do your worst. Redeem away. You have plenty points, I don't believe you. It's okay, I can cancel it and give them back. Alright, let's fucking go. Recenter it. No. I'll give Edge one of the there is no escapes back. I didn't even see the Rhino one. Recenter M, 5 volts. Okay, cool. $80 volts, yeah. Ooh, PC time. Alright, I couldn't see if that was with Gun's color or not, but I will guess so. Oh, and this still works, and it's probably super loud too. Aha! Crash Bandicoot! It's not that loud? Great. I mean, I lowered my voice, but... But yeah, engine off. Louder and regular, that's okay. Okay, so give me just a second. So I go to the Hades scene. Hades nuts! Alright. Anyway, hold on. Chaga, you're saying. I'm getting voided again, but the Poets of the Fall reference. The Darkness Quiet. Lots of space, alright. Definitely not a rock weapon widget with EXPR, what? Like, but never. This might be a puzzle, oh yes! Fucking... Timer with wings. Yes, that is correct. That is actually the intention. Quote 71. Yes, okay, that's why I wanted to scroll. Because, say hello to the new quote system. I have finally put them locally in a file and moved them to Alabot instead of Nightbot. So now you can do exclamation mark, quote, and a number, and it will pull that number for you. Just exclamation quote is just exclamation quote is the usual random one. But yeah, and also for me, add quote also works with the new system, and it's cool and all that. Run, Ratchet, run. And I also went to the old quotes, especially the ones that are from Ratchet in games, and added who says it and year. And since when do quotes have number? Okay, that's Swarmer Sucker. Ears bleeding like the fucking sticks. That's the point, actually. I'll help you make it the pride versions. Someone wanted. Now you can know how it feels to actually die. Ali's blue, and I beat up a guy. Ref department schedule for 11:30, more or less, approximately. AM, approximately. The hex. Oh, I missed that Chike was home. Hi, Chike. Well, not home. I know. So just for demonstration. Like that. I got any PJs? Let's go. It's like having to put a Redson repeater in. Exactly right. No, seriously. Gonna zero tick your door. Gonna zero my door kill you. Wait. It skipped. I was reading chat and it just went to. I'm keeping them for deep fried haters. Okay. You're so tight. I don't choose the con. You're doing recovery yoga. But yeah, quote 69 is a funny one. It's, hi YouTube, we're back in Rack 1 and we're fuck off. The next level of quotes is the ones that are actually from stream. Actually clip them and add them. Drop database. How many quotes are there? No, yeah, they're 90 something. Real. That's the last. The quote 80, I think, is the last quote of 2023. Which I thought it was way more recent, honestly. I thought it was like 2024. Yeah, 93 was the last one. Oh my god. Binary search. But yeah, now when I add a quote, it says the quote. That was with no number? Oh, damn. Yeah, you got it. Yo. Oh! 420 quotes for 2030. Hungry. Okay, yes. Let's do Rift Apart flushed emoji. Because we've done debugging the usual allows 5 way. Da-da-da-da-da. And we have demonstrated, and see, like, the controller, like, disappears after a while, after some time, some inactivity time. I don't think there's anything I can do for that. But now, we can play Rift Apart. So let me just launch that because it'll launch the launcher. Cause I tried that it worked. Didn't right. And then I can pause this. And then another thing I can do is change content. Now it's Elgato. I can change to Steam. And after a second, there we go. Maybe more than a second. Yeah, gotta do it with controller. Okay. Last thing, and I guess I'll save this on the VOD on Twitch at least. I don't know if I'll save it on the VOD on YouTube. Maybe I'll do a separate VOD. So maybe I'll do a like what's it called? Not hidden, right? Like link only, whatever. It could handle it. I can handle it. Yeah, I'll probably unlisted. That's the one. My brain was still like thinking about that, and I couldn't keep coherent thread. But hi again, Chike. But yeah, I might just save this as an unlisted VOD on YouTube and just like a separate thing on Twitch. So just to celebrate and showcase the new stuff. I think I've shown everything, like the new quote system, the sticks. Well, I guess now I can redeem the sticks myself. I say sticks, I mean like the that there is no escape thing. So if I do it here with the game, actually, that happens. um and yeah, I think that is everything that is new. Um, it's been definitely interesting to do all this uh these days. I thought I wouldn't get to like have everything working for today. Like I was happy just having these boxes here just static for today, but then I just could do this fine, and it just worked. And like I have everything working. So um oh well. But yeah, if you're here for Rift Apart, that'll be a separate VOD if you're watching this after the fact. If you're watching on YouTube, how did you get the link? Now, I'll probably link this on the next one, like on the first Rift Apart bit, because I'm gonna do an intro and everything. So, um, again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the showcase, and yeah, if you're watching the VOD, see you on actual content of gaming. Uh, love you, mate.